The floating tabletop walk, very similar to the bear walk or that A-frame walk that we're doing. But here the focus is on the hands and wrists and exaggerating that movement. Where if you just start on hands and knees, we're going to peel the right hand up nice and slow because you've been stretching the fingers, slide the hand forward, then let it slide back down. And that opposite knee comes forward. Then the left hand peels up. Take that forward, let it come back down. Then the right knee. So we're slowly walking as well as doing this exaggerated movement, focusing on wrists and fingers. So that left hand slides down, right knee steps forward, right hand peels up, flows down, left knee steps forward. So I'm doing this on hands and knees, and if you feel you're ready, you get that floating tabletop position, pushing into the floor, lifting the knees, tucking the tail under. Right hand peels up, places down, left foot steps forward, left hand slides forward, right foot, right hand peels forward, left hand, peel it forward, place it back down, right foot slides through. Keep squeezing the butt, tucking it under, shoulders over wrists. Right hand peels forward, slides down, left foot, left hand peels forward, places down, right foot. This will take time. It's obviously taking strength, coordination, plus all that memory in the body, the core memory. So if you find at any point that you lose it, come back to hands and knees to get it set in the body, what needs to happen. Eventually you'll have that strength. Left hand peels forward, place it down, right knee. Right hand peels forward, place it down, left knee. A little bit longer, keep going. Floating tabletop walk. Take it at your own time. Make sure you re-stretch the wrists. It does take a lot of force into those joints.